Hi and welcome back to number 15 in our series of how to make a track in Logic. So far I've been working on this track, some arrangements on the vocals here. So what I did is I duplicated the vocal, okay, here, here, and here, here, and here. What I did is I put these in stereo, as you can see here, one to the left, one to the right, the duplicated tracks. And in the mixer you can see that I put them slightly lower than the main track. And what I did, if you look at, say, this track here, I then delayed it, and then I delayed the right hand side a bit more, so it would give us a stereo effect. So if you listen to it, you can hear that's the one in the middle, and then we've got these two in the side. Can make this even more dramatic. Just makes it fatter. So as you can see, that gives this a nice fat sound, and I've done the same here with the Ella vocal in the intro here. So you can hear, if I take that off, kind of sits in the middle. Now we've got it sitting a bit fatter in the mix. So I've done that. I've also bounced in place the vocals, so I'm going to start working on this part here, maybe do like a stutter effect here, and then I started looking at these keyboards here as well, where I'm going to bring in a plugin called Direction Mixer, and I'm going to sit this in the mix a bit different. So what this does is you can put it in mono, we can stick it out. If you stick it out too far, you lose it, so just a little bit, but I'm going to keep this one closer to the center. Here you can also move it to left or right. That's kind of like a general pan to the track. The lower the synth, I will put it in the middle, and the higher it gets, I go towards the outside. So what I'll do now is insert the same plugin. I can copy it over, or I can just insert directly like so, and then I can just arrange these as I want. So now what I'm going to do is one in solo like this. So let's stick that one normal, and then have this one a little bit further out. So I do that to separate the keys a bit. That kind of cleans up in the mix. It's not that obvious, but it does clean up the stuff in quite considerably when you've got a lot of keyboards, because if they're all sitting in the same place, they kind of get in the way of each other in the stereo field. So what I do the same with the drum parts here, but I'm not sure we need to, because seeing that I imported these out of Nexus, they seem to be well placed already in the mix. So I've EQ'd them already, so I think I might leave them. Saves me doing all that. So we've done that with the keyboards. So let's start having a look at how to do a stutter effect here. It's kind of a bit kind of stops there. So what I'm going to do here is make this a little bit bigger so we can work with this. Now select here like so, and now I can just go Command R, do that twice, and that gives us just a slight on the end. And then what I'll do is again then select from here to here, okay, and I'll go, this time I'll go twice, so that will give me, and then I will come up from the bottom because I've got my multiple function for the didgeridoo there, and for the tools, then and then at the end we can get really creative. Remember, I've got no overlap on here, so this will just erase what's being copied. So I can now just copy the space here with this, remember this function, so I'll just go Command R again, okay, and then I'm going to make this real small, so just bring this back up again, make this real small down to 1 like this, so it gives us a kind of effect like this. So I'm going to move this out the way, and then here I can just quite easily select these parts here, R, then so that's cool. That gives us a nice kind of effect there. I can even do one here at the end of this as well, just something a bit funky here at the end of this vocal part. We've got something that goes up. Yeah, I've got a note that's hanging over there that's not good. I need to get rid of that high note there. Yeah, so I think we've cut this bit here. Let me see if I've cut this not too short here. Now I'm going to do an effect here. I don't know if it'll work. Let me try. Let's see if a slowdown on this will make it sound cool. That's quite cool. Let's see if we do something different here. In this one here. Yeah, okay. I might do something different there, and I might do a build up here. Like I said I was going to do it, I'm going to do one here. With the drums behind it coming up, some drums and stuff building up. So yeah, I will do a build up there with drums soon. So there you have some stuttered vocal effects and some slowdown, and arrange the keyboards a bit. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe. Don't forget to turn on that bell so you get the notifications, and leave some comments, and I'll be back soon. Ciao.